Welcome today to my weekend away, filmed in late March. Last night I stayed in Ton. I stopped here at Newton Abbey Racecourse for some lunch before continuing my drive to Torquay. Beef and ale pie. I wasn't overly convinced with the presentation, but it tasted very nice. A short drive later and arrived at the Premier Inn Hotel in Torquay. The hotel is linked with another Beefeater pub here. Discounted parking for hotel guests, approximately £4 for 24 hours. However, there's limited spaces. Premier Inn Torquay. First visit to this Premier Inn. Unusual layout actually. Very unusual layout. Kind of typical hanging space, but plug beside the bed I see, handy. Not got that barefoot light, but never mind. Don't mind the step there's in the corner. What's all this about? Must be the toilet. Let's have a look. Okay, here's a little step. Be careful with that tonight after a few. Very strong smell of bleach. Very strong bleach. Too much. Very clean. I'm surprised at the smell of bleach. Bloody hell. That's quite bad actually. Let's see. I discovered the hotel was built back in the 1840s, known as Belgrave House. It was one of the very first purpose-built hotels in Torquay. It's since been extended in almost every possible direction, including up, with a third floor added in the 1950s. This is the second floor. You open the door here and the stairs are almost immediate. But on the first floor, you open the door and the stairs are immediate. Our walk will take us around the seafront and harbour, visiting a couple of pubs along the way. The sand has a red colour, and more so on Paignton and Godwinton beaches, due to iron oxide being laid down in desert conditions some 200 to 300 million years ago. Looking straight across there is Berry Head, which meets the sea just beyond Brixham. Just about halfway round the bay is Paignton. Keep an eye out in the next week or so for my video tour of Paignton. There's a nice range of palms, aloes, echiums, which give the area that Riviera feel. In the background is the Church of St. John the Apostle, which dates originally back to 1823. The Green Ginger Witherspoons. It's a very large pub with a nice outside seating area too. The name refers back to the 1840s, where one of Torquay's leading grocers was the sole agent of green ginger wine. Underneath is also a large Revolution bar. The Memorial Clock Tower, built in 1902 for Richard Mallock, who represented Torquay in Parliament and was a local magistrate. Time for a beer in Yates's. And the football was just about to start. I'm not a great fan of football, but decided to watch the match as England were playing. I must have been hungry that day. Well, the match was over and I came out and the cloud had broken to give a lovely sunny evening. Could this be Cannes? The Apple and Parrot pub wasn't very busy, but it was a Sunday night. Apparently it's been the home of live music in Torbay since 2010. Out again and heading back to the hotel. Still very scenic. The Torbay Hotel has 111 bedrooms and a ballroom for up to 200 people, so it would be a good idea to bring your dancing shoes if you're staying there. A modern row of bars and restaurants with some very nice landscaping along the front. The lighting plays such an important part around the bay. Back to the hotel bar for the customary 1 or 2. Help me to continue bringing you improving content by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.